series. Why do we take voice lessons? First of all, it is to build your vocal house. Some people go, I don't understand that. The vocal house is this. You got to start at the bottom, which is building your proper foundation, and then we keep going up several levels. That's what I'll be covering in this particular part of the course. So you will know exactly why we take voice lessons. Some of the things that I will touch on is building your proper foundation, also your posture. I will also explain a little bit more about your phonation, your resonance, also vowel sounds and why. Also the consonants, why we use them. From that point, when you're getting ready to be more of a performer, we also want to understand the meaning and the mood of the song. We also have legato technique and phrasing. Legato, which means to sing smoothly and connected. And then at the end of the vocal house, it is showing that you are now an artist in how we put it all together. That's what's in this series. Make sure that you click, make sure that you like, make sure that you go in here and learn as much as you can. This is with all of my experience that I'm giving you this, and I want you to be the very best singer that you can be. So you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, evening, or afternoon, whenever you might see this video, and dig in and learn something. Y'all take care. Peace.